Hey, let me ask you something. You ever notice when you get older, you get a little bit more out of patience? The older you get, you know, it starts happening right around 25, 30. You just start losing it, and then you just lose more every year. You get less and less patient. Like if you're 30 and you gotta watch your little brothers or something and they 12. You ain't got, what the hell? But when you get up to my age, when you hit the 60 mark, let me tell you something. I'm starting to really scare myself with the stuff that I'm tired of, because little stuff get on your nerves. Like, you know, like sitting at a traffic light. You ever been sitting at a traffic light, all of a sudden you find yourself going, how long we gonna be at this damn light? Ain't no cars coming. Why don't we just go? This red light been, I got stuff to do. It don't take you no time, man. And then you ever get on the phone and get caught up on one of them automated systems? Press 7 to check your balance. Press 1 for transactions. Press 2 if you know the department. What number do I press to talk to somebody? The hell is that number at? Something else. When I was young, I loved loud noise. I like run car. That was my favorite thing. I put a motor on my bike. Just noise, man. I like loud. I like going to the amusement park. People holler. People just holler. I like loud. Now, everything is too damn loud. The TV too damn loud. Turn that radio down in there. What is all this noise in here? You ever been in a restaurant eating? Why they talking so loud in this restaurant? I can't even hear myself chew. I'm that dude now, man. Tell you something else too, man. I'm an excellent grandfather. For about 30 minutes. And then that's it. Get your baby, y'all go home. I done had enough of this right here, man.